Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're doing more on this Jersey Shore series here on the New York channel. Right now I am in Cape May, not by the beach but by the downtown shopping area. There's a quaint little shopping area downtown, closed pretty much to pedestrians. So we're going to check that out, and then later on I'm going to do a separate video down by the beach and check out all these beautiful Victorian mansions on the way to the beach, but that's going to be a separate video, so stay tuned for that one. In the meantime, let's go check out this shopping area downtown, shall we? Cape May bills itself as America's original seaside resort, and the Washington Street Mall, which is the mall we're checking out this afternoon, considers itself the heart of America's original seaside resort. If you guys aren't familiar with where Cape May is, it's at the very southern tip of New Jersey. I'd say about an hour's drive south of Atlantic City. The picturesque Washington Street Mall includes over 75 establishments in the heart of Cape May, a variety of unique boutique shops, fine dining restaurants, bars, quick eats, activities, and services. They're all located along a 3-block stretch of Washington Street, which is closed off to vehicular traffic. This is Frankie the Flip-Flop. He follows me around all my Jersey Shore videos. Sometimes he's elusive, sometimes he's very easy to find. Spot him in this video, note the time you spotted him in the comments below, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Fralingers, now there's a familiar name if you're familiar with Atlantic City. The Washington Street Mall serves as Cape May's town square and features numerous benches, luscious gardens, shady trees, historical markers, gas lamps, bistro-style string lights, Instagram-worthy photo opportunities, and much more. Don't forget, as I said earlier, guys, Cape May is known for their beautiful Victorian mansions that line all the tree-lined streets around here. And they will be shown off in a separate video as we head towards the beach, which will be part of that video as well. So that will be a separate video. There's just so much to see and do at the Jersey Shore, and I'm running out of time. The season's almost over. Hold on tight. This may be the only escalator in Cape May County. I don't know. Seriously, I must have about 50 jigsaw puzzles in my garage that have never been opened. Someday when I'm a really old man, I'll be, when I'm not sitting on the porch in my rocking chair, I will be inside the house putting jigsaw puzzles together and playing with Legos. But that's not for at least, I don't know, 2-3 months from now. Here's another 5 and dime. If you remember, we found one in Ocean City, just a little bit north from here. I guess 5 and dimes are still popular in Jersey Shore towns. But this one looks pretty much picked over, I guess, for the season. But if I remember correctly, last time I was here, there's like an old 5 and dime deli counter or ice cream counter in the back. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button and get a shout out on an upcoming video. Go ahead, try it. I love toy stores. I might have mentioned that 200 or 300 times in my videos. Dedicated back in June of 1971, the mall was a construction project of the City of Cape May's Urban Renewal Program, which took place from 1965 to 1971. The purpose of the program was to turn the heart of Cape May into a charming showplace, complete with a revitalized downtown area to attract thousands of tourists while also improving the quality of life for residents as well. I think they've done a fine job doing that. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Stay tuned, more to come from Cape May, as well as lots more coming from the Jersey Shore series in the few weekends ahead. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.